Greetings, this is m squared, and this we're going to simplify some complex fractions. Remember, a complex fraction again is a fraction within a fraction, and in this first one, and well, in both of these, they're a little more complicated because they have fractions, a bunch of fractions in the fraction. So the first step is to find the common denominator. The second step is to multiply each term in the top and the bottom by that common denominator. So we notice that these two denominators are in common and these two are in common. So our common denominator is 2x minus 1 times x plus 6. So that is what I multiply everything by. And then we will cancel. Always cancel before you multiply. It makes it so much easier and you're less apt to make mistakes. So here the x plus 6 cancels. Here the 2x minus 1's cancel, 2x minus 1's cancel, x plus 6 is canceled. So now we have in the top a 3 times 2x minus 1, and then we have here, we have a negative 2x times x plus 6 in our numerator, and in our denominator we have x plus 6 times x, and 8 times 2x minus 1. And then we use our distributive property. So we get 6x minus 3 minus 2x squared minus 12x all over x squared plus 6x plus 16x minus 8. And then we combine like terms in the numerator and the denominator. So in the numerator we've got a negative 2x squared for our x squared terms. We can combine these and get a negative 6x, and then we only have one constant term. In the denominator all we have to do is combine our x's. So we get x squared plus 22x minus 8. And now it's a good idea to see if you have anything that you can factor. Well, 8, there's no factors of 8 that will add up or subtract to get 22. So we know that's not factorable. And there's not any factors of positive 6 that will add up to 6. So that's our answer. Now, you notice how everything in the top is negative? You could have put a negative out here and changed everything to positive. It doesn't make this wrong. It's just another way to write it. But that is the answer. Okay, now on to this one. Notice that again we have common factors here and here, so our common denominator is x plus 4 times 3x minus 2. And you do want, I like to write them all. I know maybe you can skip it, but I like to see it cancel and make sure I've got everything where I need to have it. And I don't miss something. So now we have 8 times 3x minus 2 minus x times x plus 4 all over 3 times x plus 4 plus 4x times 3x minus 2. So now we're going to use distributive property and combine like terms. So 8 times 3x is 24x minus 16 minus x squared minus 4x all over 3x plus 12 plus 12x squared minus 8x. These combine, so I get a negative x squared plus 20x minus 16 all over 12x squared. These combine, 5x plus 12. And to see if that factors of 16, we have 1 and 16, 2 and 8, and 4 and 4. And we would need them to add up to 20, and I don't think that's happening. So I think we're good. This is our answer, simplified. And this is m squared, signing out.